Hello, I'm Dr. Julie Greensmith from the University of Nottingham in the United Kingdom, and I'm here to present to you our continuing research on dangerous automata, which I perform in collaboration with Professor Daniel Ashlock from the University of Guelph in Ontario, Canada. In this work, we have combined cellular automata, evolutionary algorithms, and artificial immune systems to create uniquely evolved works of art. Some of the examples of our evolved cellular automata are here on this slide. These artworks are created by applying an evolutionary algorithm to the rules which govern the behaviour of the cellular automata. When we plot the growth of the automata as time courses, we end up with images like these, which resemble space invaders or Christmas trees. We were inspired by the danger theory, a mechanism in immunology which describes the way in which the human immune system differentiates between the two different types of cell death, apoptosis and necrosis. Apoptosis is planned cell death, which is designed to kill off unwanted or old cells, as opposed to necrosis, which is unplanned cell death, usually as the result of pathogens. We have used a metaphor of these two different types of cell death to inspire filters which are applied to the evolutionary component of the cellular automata. In previous work, Daniel used a model of apoptosis to dictate the shape of evolved cellular automata, and we wanted to see if we could also devise more drastic necrotic filters to effectively kill off underperforming areas of the fitness landscape containing unsuitable population members. We implemented two types of necrotic filter, a shape-based filter and an entropy-based filter. For both of these filters, we implemented soft and crisp versions. We were also able to stack the different filters, giving intersections within the fitness landscape, which deals with unwanted optima. Our results show significantly different outcomes for the different types of stacking, allowing for the pruning of the fitness landscape without the need to explicitly bake in these constraints. The filters do the work. We think that our necrotic filters can be applied to evolutionary algorithms in general by excluding undesirable parts of a fitness landscape. We will also investigate how best to stack these filters. Our work shows that even the simplest idea abstracted from the human immune system can lead to very interesting and useful techniques in computational intelligence, as well as creating evolved works of art. Thank you.